Hey everyone, happy holidays! Since it's so close to Christmas, I decided to decorate a gingerbread house. And I wanted to show you guys how I decorated it. This video is gonna be pretty chill, so just relax and enjoy. Let's get started. At this point, both pieces of the roof broke, and I was like, it's okay, we could probably still work with this. I tried gluing it back together with frosting. And then the wall broke. I still tried to make it work though. I flipping can at this point. I'm just doing my best. It's broken twice. This broke, this over here broke, the roof is broken. I'm just trying. Kind of crooked. So, I don't know. I guess we'll keep going and see how it ends. So when the door fell, it also broke. It'll be a miracle if I make this look good. Because so far everything is broken and once I miraculously put that gingerbread house together, even though it was falling apart on itself, it was time to decorate. I layered Cinnamon Toast Crunch on the gingerbread house to act as roof shingles. Then I placed these cute candies that look like Christmas lights on the house. The candy didn't come with the gingerbread house, I got this separately from Target. Oh, and I got this gingerbread house from Walmart. I placed the Rice Krispie Christmas trees that I made in a previous video next to the house as decoration. When I finished decorating the house, I sprinkled powdered sugar over the house to act as snow. And this is the finished result. I have to say it ended up looking pretty cute, especially since it didn't cave in on itself. I was watching Christmas movies the entire time I was decorating this. I believe I watched Jim Carrey's The Grinch, the Santa Claus movie, and Elf. However, my favorite Christmas movie has to be The Polar Express. Comment down below what your favorite Christmas movie is. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!